carry out a DIY activity, how to make a terrarium. Let's collect some material from our surrounding for the DIY activity, so please come with me. As you can see the moss on the rocks, so I'll be taking out this moss. As I'm taking out, you have to take it very delicately. I have taken out the plants with the moss. Let's start making the terrarium. So the material required are the first thing which is required is the moss, sand, activated charcoal, pebbles and gravels, some garden soil and cocoa peat compost. I have collected few plants. I have this glass container for making a terrarium. So for making the terrarium, the base should be closed. First put all the pebbles in the container, and I am putting all the pebbles in the container. After putting the pebbles, now I am putting some sand. Press the sand properly so that no gap is left. Now I am putting the activated charcoal in this. You have to put the activated charcoal because it absorbs the moisture and prevents from fungal infection. Now you have to take a polythene sheet and make holes on this, and you have to put it on top of the activated charcoal. Mix the cocoa peat compost and the soil, and then you can put it on top of the polythene sheet. I have given a landscape to the soil and the compost. Now I am putting the moss in the terrarium which I have collected from the garden. Now I will be placing this small little plants in my terrarium to give a natural look to it. I am putting some colored stone to make it look good. Now spray a little bit of water to make it moist. So my dear friends, a terrarium is usually a sealed glass container which contains soil and plant inside it. However, we can make a terrarium which can be an open one, as I have made it for you. And terrarium is often kept as decorative or ornamental item. So just come with me, I'll show you where I am placing my terrarium in my home. I have placed my terrarium in my bookshelf. It looks like a mini garden in your home. I hope that you will be making your own terrarium, and thank you for watching my video.